All human beings are included in 4 fundamental categories: the naive, the intelligent, the evil, and the stupid. The intelligent person knows that he's intelligent. The evil one is aware to be evil. The naive is painfully imbued with the sense of his own candor. Unlike all these characters, the stupid doesn't know to be stupid. This contributes to give greater strength, incidence, and effectiveness to his devastating action. The stupid is not inhibited by self-consciousness. Carlo M. Cipolla.